Ay lagay natin dito is $2. And then guys, click lang natin tong withdraw now. So withdrawal success na siya guys, no. Isa ilang minuto lang is dumating na po kaagad yung atin pong ipinay out na $2. Okay? Hello guys and welcome back again sa akin YouTube channel. So for today's video ay meron na naman akong i-share sa inyong bagong release na application, no. So ito si Oxy Oil, no. So dito guys, ang gagawin mo lang, no, is magre-register. So ilagay mo lamang po, no, yung inyo pong email, password, confirm password, and after that guys, maglagay po kayo ng invitation code dito and yung inyo pong Telegram number. Okay, so after that guys, click mo na po itong register. So dito guys, no, pagkalagin nga po natin, no, ay madadirect nga po tayo sa kanilang front page at meron tayo kaagad makikitang announcement. Okay, so ito guys, yung mga nilalaman po, no, ng kanilang platform. So basahin nyo na lang siya guys, no, at pag-aralan nyo po ng mabuti yung kanila pong platform. Okay, so ito guys, yung kanilang news and then yung kanila pong about us. Okay, so ayan guys, and then ito po yung kanila pong recharge recommendation award. Okay, so ayan guys, makikita mo lahat yan, VIP 1 hanggang VIP 9 po yan. Okay, so ayan guys, no, and then punta po tayo sa kanilang product, no. Ayan, so punta tayo sa My Oil. And dito nga pala guys, sa isang investment platform, no, na kung saan kailangan po muna natin mag-take ng risk before po tayo kumita. Okay, so dito nga pala guys, is pagkalagin natin, meron na po tayo kaagad free na $14, no. So dito yan makikita. Okay, so dito guys ay nakapag-invest nga po pala ako or nakapag-recharge nga po pala ako, no. So click natin tong oil. And minimum deposit or minimum invest dito guys is $30, no. So meron yan $2 income daily. And then mining niya guys, no, or 100 days po yan. Okay, so 100 days po yan lahat, no. And then meron din tayong VIP2 is $80. $9 naman po yung kanyang daily income. Okay, so meron tayong 280, ayan 680, 2,680, ayan 6,680, at ang pinakamataas guys, no, is 86,680. and then itong isa guys is not open pa po siya, no. And kung gusto mo mag-try guys, kailangan po muna natin mag-recharge. Ayan, so punta po tayo sa kanilang mine, and then guys, click lang natin itong recharge, no. So ito siya guys. Ayan, so dito guys is pwede po tayong gumamit ng BIP20 USDT or TRC20 USDT. Okay, so i-copy mo lang to guys, no, itong wallet address na to, at punta lamang po kayo sa inyo pong e-wallet at doon na po kayo magre-recharge. Okay, so take note guys, yung address na to is dito po tayo magsisend ng atin pong i-recharge. Okay, so ayun guys, at ganun lang guys, at bayaran mo na siya sa inyo pong e-wallet. Okay, and after that guys, pwede na po kayong bumili ng kanila pong produkto, no. So as you can see, meron tayong $30 na balance dito. So click mo lang tong oil and click lang natin tong buy now. Ayan guys, buy now lang natin siya, no. Ayan, successful purchase na siya. At mag-aantay na lang po tayo ng atin pong income. So click natin tong mine. Ayan, so as you can see guys, meron na tayo kaagad $2. Okay, so ayan guys, no, and then pwede na po natin yan i-withdraw. So ngayon, click lang natin tong electronic wallet. Ayan, so dito guys is magbabind po muna tayo ng atin pong wallet address. Okay, so click mo lang yan, and USDT or BIP20 po yung pwede natin gamitin dito, no. So click mo lang to guys, no. Ayan, and then pwede po kayong gumamit ng BIP20 or TRC20. Okay, so TRC20 guys, and then click yung sure, and lagay lang natin yung wallet address natin dito, no. Ayan, and then guys, maglalagay po tayo ng transaction password dito. Okay, ayan, so click natin tong submit. So successfully changed na siya guys, no. Ayan, and then pwede na po tayo mag-withdraw. Okay, so punta ulit tayo sa may withdraw. Ayan, and then BIP20 or TRC20 yung gagamitin natin guys, no. Ay lagay natin dito is $2. And then click natin yung withdrawal password natin. And then guys, click lang natin tong withdraw now. So withdrawal success na siya guys, no, at antay na lang po natin na dumating sa atin pong Binance account. Okay, so ito yung countdown niya guys. Ayan, every 24 hours makaka-earn po tayo dyan. Okay, so other way guys, para kumitas yung pag-invite, So, ayan, at click mo lang tong My Team. Ayan, so dito guys is meron tayong tinatawag na 3-level commission. Okay, so level 1, level 2, and level 3, no? And then, dito mo makikita guys sa kanilang front page. Ayan, and then, eto guys yung kanila pong promotion link. Ayan, so copy mo lang yan guys at i-share mo lang to sa inyong mga social media account like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay? So yun guys, and then kung meron naman po kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayong kumontak sa kanila pong customer service. Okay, so ayan guys, no? And hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video, no? And kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod na video na ilalabas ko, and I hope na meron po kayo natutunan. And grabe nga guys, no? Isa ilang minuto lang is dumating na po kaagad yung atin pong ipinay out na $2. Okay? So masasabi ko sa application na to or sa platform na to is napaka-legit at napakabilis din po niya magbayad. Okay? So thank you for watching guys. Ingat po kayo and God bless you po.